Hey everyone, Paul Akers. I want to show you a great new product called the Oscar Square. Everyone's familiar with the Speed Square. I'm going to show you a really cool square. Comes 4 of them in a pack like this for assembling cabinets. Very cool. So you grab it, you put it over here on your panel that you're going to assemble. You take a spring clamp or any clamp you want, get it approximately the 3/4 offset that you need. Then take your other part, put it in here just like this. Grab your other spring clamp, put it on there. And now that's holding that at a right angle very nicely. So very easy to assemble. So you can put all your cabinets together in just a split second. Now, if you want to use quick clamp like this, you can use a quick clamp. You can use any clamp you want. We use spring clamps because they're fast and easy. This is a great new product. They come in a 4-pack. You're going to love it. Very reasonable. You're not going to know what you did without this. And on top of that, we made it fit on the wall on a 2x4 so you can store them all really quickly and keep track of them. And we also put these holes in here for Rockler and Festool. They make clamps that have little rods in there. They'll work as well. But you're going to love this product. Very innovative. And of course, it came from someone on the shop floor. Oscar, great job. So when you want to check out serious innovation, go to FastCap.com. We have great products from our peel and stick cover caps to our peel and stick edge banding, Fast Edge, our best fence system, the speed brace, the quick mandrel, the quickie best fence system, the Kaizen foam, the Kiss drill bit system, the magnetic dust door, our amazing 2P10 adhesive, our Pro Carpenter tape measure series, our glue bots, our third hands. We have so many awesome products, the new Polk workbench. Go to FastCap.com and find out where innovation really begins. And make sure you go to our YouTube channel, thousands of videos that you can learn all kinds of things about lean innovations and everything to make you more efficient.